If you're in the market for a chainsaw, you've got some solid options to consider, each with its own flair and features tailored to different needs. Now, let's see what makes these cordless chainsaws best, so you can figure out which one's the perfect fit for your cutting adventures. First up, let's talk about the Husqvarna T540XP Mark III, a chainsaw that's built for those who demand precision and power in a compact package. This gas-powered beast is designed for professional arborists and tree care specialists, boasting a 37.7 cubic centimeter engine that delivers impressive cutting performance. Its lightweight design, weighing in at just 8.6 pounds, without bar and chain, makes it a favorite for climbing and pruning tasks. The T540XP Mark III features Auto-Tune, which automatically adjusts the engine for optimal performance in varying conditions, so you don't have to fiddle with settings. It also has a low vibration system to reduce fatigue during long sessions, and the adjustable oil pump ensures efficient chain lubrication. With a 12 to 16-inch bar, it's versatile for both small and medium-sized jobs. Now let's switch gears to the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Dual Battery Chainsaw, a cordless powerhouse that's giving gas saws a run for their money. This 20-inch beast is engineered for professional users who need raw power without the hassle of fuel. Running on two M18 Red Lithium Forge XC8.0 batteries, it cranks out 5.8 horsepower in peak power mode, matching the grunt of a 70cc gas chainsaw. What's cool is the power mode select feature, letting you toggle between standard power mode and peak power mode for tackling the toughest cuts without stalling. The Power State brushless motor hits full speed in under a second and keeps going strong under heavy loads. Plus, the RedLink intelligence ensures the saw and batteries communicate to optimize performance and prevent overloads. You'll get up to 60 cuts per charge in 10-inch hardwoods and features like dual metal bucking spikes, high visibility felling sightlines, and dual captured bar nuts add control and durability. Ryobi 18-volt brushless 10-inch chainsaw. For those looking for something lighter and more budget-friendly, the Ryobi 18-volt brushless 10-inch chainsaw is a fantastic pick for homeowners and light-duty tasks. This cordless saw runs on Ryobi's 18-volt battery system, so if you're already in their ecosystem, it's a no-brainer. The 10-inch bar is perfect for pruning, trimming small branches, or cutting firewood. And the brushless motor delivers efficient power with longer runtime and motor life. It's got a wraparound handle for comfortable grip, automatic chain oiler for smooth operation, and a compact design that's easy to maneuver. Weighing just under 7 pounds, it's super portable, and the tool-free chain tensioning makes adjustments a breeze. Next, let's talk about the Stihl MS 400 Professional Chainsaw, a gas-powered titan built for heavy-duty professional use. With a 66.8 cubic centimeter engine, this saw is designed for loggers and forestry pros who need relentless power for felling, bucking, and limbing. What sets it apart is its magnesium alloy piston, which reduces weight while maintaining durability, making the MS 400 one of the lightest chainsaws in its class at 12.8 pounds. It features Stihl's anti-vibration system for reduced operator fatigue, an adjustable automatic oiler for consistent lubrication, and a decompression valve for easier starting. The 16 to 20-inch bar options give you flexibility for various cutting tasks, and its robust build ensures it can handle the toughest jobs. Finally, let's round things out with the Worx Nitro 16-inch chainsaw, a cordless option that's all about power and convenience for homeowners and DIYers. The WG385 model sports a high-speed brushless motor that runs 50% longer, is 25% more powerful, and lasts 10% longer than brushed motors, making it a reliable choice for yard work. Its 16-inch bar and chain deliver professional-grade cutting capacity, and the one-step toolless chain tension system makes adjustments quick and painless. Automatic chain lubrication keeps the bar and chain in top shape, while the chain brake guard adds an extra layer of safety. A charge level indicator lets you know how much juice is left, so you're never caught off guard. It's gas-free, quiet, and easy to use, perfect for keeping your yard in check. So there you have it. a lineup of chainsaws that cater to everyone from pros to weekend warriors. Got a favorite? Drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell to catch more tool reviews. See you on the next job!